People, it's Hawaii, day number 2.5, maybe 3-ish. Pilar's there. We're about to go bike ride around the island and try to find things to do. It looks beautiful outside, as usual. But yeah, we rented some bikes, so we're gonna go hit the bike trail. I've got my GoPro so we can get some more first-person footage and just have a good time. And then tomorrow is gonna be a treat. But we'll catch you on the road. Alright guys, we're almost ready for adventure. We've got our helmets on. We're about to get on these bikes. I think I'm about to switch over to first-person mode and then continue to ride out because I can't hold my camera. I'm not Casey Neistat. I'm not that nice. Guys, we're riding our bikes right now. I think we just go through here. I don't know. We're riding our bikes. I'm not sure. We don't know where the bike lane is, but we're riding right now. Pilar's ahead of me. We don't know where we are, but we're in a nice area. It's pretty out here. Adventure. I got my headset going on, so we got some first-person footage being recorded. First-person life, first-person video. I should probably put my camera here so you don't hear the windscreen coming through. All right, y'all, cool, later. Guys, we made it to the farmer's market. It's all around us. It's pretty lit. We're hanging out here, pretty cool. Pina colada, please. I'm getting a smoothie. Pilar's getting it for us. There's stuff behind us. There's hammocks and stuff. It's really nice. I like it. Hawaii, man. Look at this place. I'm such a tourist. Walking around. Got my pina colada. Pilar's looking at dresses. That's cute for what's her name? Zoe.
Yeah.
So cute in here. Oh. Pretty dresses.
Yeah.
So much adventure. Out here, guys, it started raining, but it's like a good, nice, warm rain. It's pretty outside. Pilar's loving it. We're gonna adventure. We're gonna get some barbecue and then
I'm also living the fact that I'm not sick.
Say what? Are you sick? What are you talking about? Huh? How you doing? Alright. Well, we're gonna continue shopping. You can't see me anymore. There you go. Yeah. Got some food. Hey. Alright, y'all. We're
First cop.
we just ate lunch and now we're gonna go to, I don't know where we're going.
Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls. We're going to Rainbow Falls right now. We're gonna go find that place. We got to get our bikes and then we're gonna try to take them on a little trip to find this Rainbow Falls place.
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls. We're gonna go search for waterfalls. So hopefully everything works out. All right, cool. Guys, it's starting to rain hard. We're about to go on this ride right now. We're about to go right now, first person style. Hey guys, I thought I was recording just now, but I wasn't. But yeah, we're riding our bikes up this hill. We're going to Rainbow Falls, which is a waterfall rainbow place. And Hawaii, man. Hawaii. Hawaii. All right, well, we'll see you a little bit later. We keep going straight. All right, see y'all. All right, guys, we just made it up this hill. That hill. Lars here. I'm here. Ready? It's time to go. How much we got? It just cut off. All right, y'all. We are almost done with our bike ride. We just got to go up there a little bit more. But look at this. Look at this behind me. It looks like Jumanji. Oh, look at that. That looks crazy. It's so cool out here though. And like the raining bike ride is pretty cool. It's better than like a hot one, you know? Yeah. All right, we're gonna go finish this bike ride and see you at the waterfall. Uh-oh. Yo guys, we're in that real life Jurassic Park area, baby. It's real out here.
That's Jurassic Park.
It's Jurassic Park, it's Jumanji.
That's what somebody said on the Yelp review for Rainbow Falls.
Yeah.
You're in Jurassic Park! It was in like all caps.
That's for real Jurassic Park out here, y'all. That's crazy. Look at this. Look at this. I feel like one of those it's gonna come out the thing and get me.
Like Alien and Predator?
Nah, the spitter Jurassic Park.
Oh hell no!
They're gonna get you, Pilar.
Shut that up, man. Shut that up.
Dinosaurs don't exist. All right, y'all, we made it. But what the heck? Why is there a chicken over there? Do you see it? Can I zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in on this side.
Oh, you can't. It has to be on the other side.
Oh God, I'm gonna flip over the camera. Hold on. Oh, that is chicken. I got it. Oh, that is chicken. Oh, that is chicken.
Oh.
I heard you talking about it.
You were the one trying to cook it.
Oh, sure.
No, it's.
You read?
I'm out.
The chicken's like, black people on the island? Oh no! Guys, we made it to Raging Waters, or wherever we are.
Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls, we're up here. It's like a I don't know what it is, but
National Park, I think.
it's a national park. I got my drone, but I doubt I could use it. You saw the one time I got in trouble. So,
Maybe we can like.
we'll see though. Maybe.
You know what?
Caw-caw.
You know what? Maybe we can like go up the street or something and then just fly it up and over and
Maybe.
dip at the end.
Yeah, maybe we could do that. All right, so we're gonna get all this stuff on camera. It's gonna be crazy. Guys, it's like we're in a real episode of Avatar: The Lost Airbender. Oh my God. Damn. Yeah. Okay, I made it. We are adventuring on some crazy stuff right now. Right, Pilar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at all this.
Look at this. This is tight. This is what we came for. Adventure, baby. Okay, adventure. All right. Oh, my legs. I just want to see a raptor. Velociraptor, no? I just want a velociraptor to come out and be like, oh, how'd they go? Haven't you seen it? Where they're,
Yeah, but I don't know how to make them noise.
oh, that's funny. All right, I gotta take my time to hurt myself. Oy. All right, guys, we are going deep into the freaking forest. What the heck? And look at the warnings. Flash flood, hazardous cliff. This trail contains areas of hazard. No diving or jumping, no swimming allowed. I want to fly my drone in here, but I'm worried somebody will be like, no droning. Whoa, where are we going? Pilar, where are you going? Oh God. Oh my God. Oh gosh. Where, are we supposed to go this way? I don't think you're supposed to go this way. Pilar, wait. Oh my God, I gotta look down. Dude, I don't wanna mess my legs up. Okay, all right, I'm not about, wait, where are you going? That way? You should go up this way, shouldn't you?
What?
Look,
This way?
yeah.
Okay.
Adventure, guys. Oh, the frogs.
Shut up.
You know they're here.
Shut up.
They're here.
Shut up.
You think I'm playing?
Then stop.
What do you think's about to happen? You think you're not about to get frogged? I should have wore worse shoes. These are my nice shoes. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Okay, what is the plan?
There is no plan, baby.
You gonna step on a bullfrog.
Shut up.
Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Where are you going? All right, wait up. What's that? Look up. Oh, that's crazy. Damn, my shoes are fucked.
Oh my God, it ripped off.
What is this? This is towards the waterfall?
Sounds like it.
Oh, crap. I'm trying to.
Right here's a little slippery.
Watch the frogs.
Shut up.
How you talking about adventure, but you ain't?
Because you might want an adventure.
I'm messing with you, just go.
Think about that kind of stuff.
It's Jumanji for real, y'all. All right, we just came out of the jungle, guys. Still trying to find a path. Pilar, wait up, yo. Okay, I was just bad-mouthing the people who came this way. I take it all back. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, slow down. You should go maybe up through this way. My kicks are ruined. I'm about to slide down just like you did.
Grab my hand.
Hold on, I'm going this way. Are you going down to the rock? Woo! This is crazy.
This is insane.
Yeah, this is wild.
To like be able to do this and see this kind of stuff.
Yeah, this is tight as hell. All right. Whew. Now what? Those rocks look tantalizing.
Yep.
I just got some drone footage around here secretly. Nobody saw it, so hopefully nobody gets me in trouble like I did in LA. Pilar's doing a death-defying feat. Hey, we gotta get home soon. Remember that. Don't die. But no, it's, look at that. All right. This is tight. This is like one of the tightest trips I've ever been on. Look at this. Nature. And right here, we've got the nature. We've got the nature. I'm just kidding. All right, well, I'm gonna keep just vlogging and doing some like random stuff and maybe get some time lapses for you. All right, cool. All right, y'all, it's getting ready to rain again. We're going into the forest and back to civilization.
You might want to not vlog this.
Oh, I might need my hand?
Yeah, because it's pretty slippery right there.
Alright. I'm gonna put my camera away, bye. People, we're done. But we found the wild indigenous chicken. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful chicken. It's so pretty. Uh-oh. It sees me. The chicken sees me. I've got to go. I've got to go. Chicken. Yo, look at this forest. You looking at the forest? It's like a rainforest. Yeah. Hawaii lit. True. The law said she don't want no mother effing help.
That's not what I said. I never said that.
She said, I don't want no mother help me. guys, we what did we do? We went to the waterfall. We came back down from the waterfall. I didn't really vlog that. I just got some cool drone shots, and now me and her, she don't want to wear no helmet. She's tripping.
Any helmet. She doesn't want to.
She don't want to wear no helmet.
She does not want to wear.
She did not want to wear no helmet. But look at her. She going, I ain't gonna wear no helmet. You can't make me wear it. She don't want to wear a helmet, guys. She's tripping. I told her she gonna hurt herself. But we're riding back and we getting it. Look at your ass. Yep. That's why you need your helmet.
Oh my God.
I won't wear no helmet.
I never did all that.
I won't wear no helmet.
Oh, you want me to wear the backpack?
I won't wear no helmet.
Katie.
What?
I was asking if you wanted me to wear the backpack.
Where you going? Why you riding so fast? Why? She don't want to wear no helmet. But yeah, we're gonna go to the botanical gardens, and today was like, yeah. Oh, feds! The feds! They found my drone. Did I grab everything? All right, let's go. We out.
Like an extra side of fries.
Yeah. We are riding around, we getting it.
round, we getting it. Round,
And
we getting it.
we're about to cross and go back on this bike path and continue our trip. Whenever, wait, don't you have to push something? No?
I already did.
Oh.
Man, got this.
So far, so fun though.
Oh, I like that.
Guys, we found our first black sand beach. You going in?
Yeah, what time is it?
5:22. We got 40 minutes.
Alright, like 10 minutes here.
Whatever, and then we'll.
Botanical.
Oh, it looks completely different with the sunglasses off. Woo! The beach, though. I would hop in the water, but I'm down to put my shoes in the water because they got dirty. Look at this. The ocean, the sand is black. Get in it. Okay. Clean my shoes. Oh, it's so pretty out here today.
Right? It's cold.
It's cold.
It's not a storm as everybody says it is.
I mean, I think it's just the weather today. Alright, I don't know what I'm vlogging, but we're just gonna enjoy ourselves. It started raining.
Oh my God!
Started raining out of nowhere, guys.
Yeah!
What? Are you good?
It's raining so hard.
It's raining now. Okay, we gotta go. We're going back to the hotel. This is ridiculous. Hopefully this camera doesn't break. I'll be pissed. Alright, we out. Guys, it started raining again out of nowhere. What the heck, Hawaii? We were having a good time. Oh my God. It's so wet outside. We look crazy. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. That guy's singing. Almost back to our hotel. It's going well. We're loving it. The Hawaii experience. Which hotel is this? Cool. All right, well, they got the right idea. They got umbrellas. All right, we out. Woo. All right, guys, we made it home, and to end a perfect day, we ordered some pizza and wings and garlic knots. It was a fun day, and we've got more planned tomorrow, so thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Ooh, last minute thing to the vlog. My YouTube channel is almost at 100,000 subscribers. Ooh, I need 9 more people. 9 more people.
You better tweet that shit.
Maybe. It did it, yay. Oh, you're not gonna shoot.
Yeah!
Okay.
You did!
Hey. Hey.
Congratulations.
Oh, the camera's all foggy, but hey, 100,000. What the heck? Why is the camera? Yo, camera, what happened? Is it crying? Camera, don't cry. All right, I don't know why it's foggy, but yo, 100,000 subscribers, 100,003 subscribers. People, thanks. Sweet. I gotta celebrate somehow. I gotta make a freestyle video or something. All right, cool. That's that. Now that's the end of the vlog. Wow.